This our sister you are seeing in this video, they don't chop am. They say Yahoo boy don't chop this our sister wey they watch for this video. No be small thing o. You know say this December we don't talk am, say this Christmas may everybody be careful o. But some of us no dey hear, especially all those hook up girls. They no dey hear. Person wey carry you, you no know. You wey go carry, you no know person wey you carry. Oh yeah, see am now. They don't use am go buy motor. As if they call plate number of motor, because there's no other thing wey the Yahoo boy go do this Christmas to buy motor, show, buy drink. Now, I dey bring this video up so that una go help us share am so that you go get to his family. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Here we bring you update of anything wey dey happen as e dey hot. This thing happened yesterday. See, this our sister for Enugu. For inside Enugu, now this thing for happen, and person wey carry and just dump her for this particular park, and also e dey there, e look helpless. Now people come dey ask am where you from. According to her, e say her name na Joy. So we go play you the video, make you hear when people dey ask am questions concerning wetin happen, but he couldn't talk anything much that calling her name and the place where he be dey live. So may you watch the video and share them so that you go get across of people wey know am and people wey get this our sister to help am, because this time around things are happening, but we still dey here gribam they bring update as e dey hot. Let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
Please, her name is Joy Kenneth Nwoma. Please, if you know her, Enugu State. Please, if you are a family member, please locate her, please. Newberry's Park. Hey, Bia, come here. Come here. Stay here. This is not forgive again.
Joy, Mama.
Guess I DB. Yeah? Guess I DB. Guess I DB.
Hasn't given me. Nanga Managa.
Managa.
Guess I DB. Cable Amakibi. Huh?
You look at the plate number, Burugi. The motor Burugi, you look at the number. Onye Burugi, who carry you?
Kenneth.
Don't buy Benz. Then I go buy Benz by 31st night.
Hey,
come here.
Come here. Kaya Burugi na moto. Koye Burugi na moto.
Oya.
Koya gapo. Koya gapo. Koya gapo. Koye kina sokwe.
Kenneth Joy Nwoma. Kenneth Joy Nwoma.
Come, Joy.
Kesa digine eziago.
Ya chaba.
Kebi.
Akwaya. Ya chaba.
Kebi bitan.
Ababa. Ya chaba. Ida ga eri ibe. Just look at it.
Please, if you know this girl in Enugu State, please locate her, please. She is going nuts. Newberry's Park, please. Come here, come this side. Stay here.
Hey.
Don't molest her. Molest.
Ọ dị ka akpapụ ya n'ike ọsọ. Ma phone ya, where you?
Ke phone gị?
See the phone. Where is my phone? See them talent in Africa. So bad. See the them. Be that oh.
Oh, hard bro. Oh, loud again, louder when again.
Joy.
Nigga, just talk more. I don't come back to the bed. You should have.
Oh, loud.
Somebody don't say the naka ram. Woma. Ọkwa afa gị dị ha. Afa gị ọkwa ya?
It's not follow. She don't calm down since now.
Ke afa nwanne gị nwaanyị ka ọ nwoke? Ke ebe ha nọ? Eh? Joy. Your people ke ebe ha nọ? I will slap you. Well, hey. Onye mere gị that thing? Kendi use gị? Eyeglass. Please, you people should locate her at Newberry's Park. Please. Her name is Joy Nwama Kenneth.
9F
Please. Anywhere you are, please. If you know you are related to this girl.
So that there won't be further attention.
Only good thing wey you go do for this our sister na to share the video so that other people go get am and know wetin dey happen, so that people wey know am go fit reach out to this particular place where this thing happen, so that they go fit rescue their sister, because things are really happening for this Christmas. So guests as there, you have to be very careful who you dey follow. Give the information, give the plate number of motor wey carry you, give this thing to your friend, send that to your friend in case of something like this happen, so that they go fit track and get the person wey do you this thing. Or my people, na wetin we dey see o, na country where balabu dey rule, na so e go dey happen. Share this video and make sure say you get to the family of this our particular sister wey dey watch her. Okay my people, remember say you still dey for Balabas Gist. Give this channel a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We still dey here dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot.